Welcome back to Cooking Craves. Today I'm going to make some soft and spongy zebra cake. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Take 3/4 cup of sugar and powder them in the blender. Take half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of butter. That is around 150 grams. Then beat it for a few seconds to soften the butter. Then add in the powdered sugar and beat till it's creamy. Once the butter and sugar is well combined, add 3 eggs, one at a time. Beat for a minute or two after each addition. Scrape down the sides and beat till it turns soft and fluffy. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now sift in 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now mix everything with the help of a spatula without overmixing. Just make sure that the wet ingredients and flour is well combined. Add in 1/3 cup, that is around 85 milliliters, of milk and mix well. You will have to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius at this point. Now to prepare the chocolate batter. Take half of the batter into a separate bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Mix well until fully combined. 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar is around 2 tablespoons of sugar granules. Prepare a round baking tray with parchment paper. Now pour a little of the vanilla batter and spread it a little with the help of a spoon. Then pour a little of the chocolate batter the same way. Make sure to use different spoons for both the batter. Now continue the process until you finish both the batter. Make sure to use the vanilla and chocolate batter alternatively. Use around 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter each time. Don't spread it too much, or the zebra line won't come out well. The complete list of ingredients is given at the end of the video. If you have not subscribed to Cooking Craves, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. Now bake it in the preheated oven for around 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. After 35 minutes, our zebra cake has baked perfectly. Leave it to cool down for at least 15 minutes before serving. This cake is so soft and moist, and it is the perfect blend of vanilla and chocolate in every bite. Look at these pretty zebra lines. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves.